Have you ever wondered why you never see an Italian eating Alfredo, even if it's in every Italian restaurant across the US? It must be an American invention, right? Wrong. Alfredo Di Lelio was actually a cook from Rome in the 1950s. One day, his wife got sick and he needed a delicious, filling, warm pasta dish to make her feel better. So he mixed just some butter, parmigiano, and created one of the most famous pasta dishes all over the world, the Alfredo sauce. I'm about to show you how easy it is to do the Italian version, so facciamolo, let's do it. Get a large pot full of water and add 2 handfuls of salt. Bring that to a boil, and in the meantime, you can start grating your Parmigiano Reggiano. This is the best f***ing cheese in the world. Do yourself a favor and buy the real Parmigiano Reggiano, not Parmesan. They're not the same, and you will be able to tell the difference. Place that into a bowl and set it aside. Then take your pasta, preferably spaghetti, and add it to the water. Please don't break it. It will go down. We're cooking this 2 minutes less than the cooking time on the box. While that's cooking, in a skillet add 130 grams of butter, or about 9 tablespoons, and when that has completely melted, turn the heat on low and add a scoop of the pasta water to prevent it from browning. And add another scoop of pasta water. You don't want the consistency to be too watery, so add it carefully. I actually added too much, and as you can see, I needed to add some more cheese to thicken it up. Set that aside, and when your pasta is ready, add it directly into the skillet with your melted butter, followed by another scoop of cooking water. Turn the heat on high, stir energetically till almost all the water evaporates. And don't be afraid of it steaming on your face, Alfredo sauce is just great for your skin. Now that most of the water is evaporated, take the skillet off the heat. You must do this. High heat will ruin everything. Add in your lumpy clumpy cheese sauce and gently stir until it comes together. Plate the dish by using tongs to twist the pasta in a ladle, then use the same ladle to scoop out any remaining Alfredo sauce. È pronto? Eccoci qua. So, this pasta is great. This pasta is great by itself as it comes, but of course it's the base for many other pasta. I personally for sure like adding some black pepper. Also, this is a dish that comes from Rome and they put black pepper everywhere. He also looks beautiful. Now it's similar to a cacio e pepe. Proviamola. Let's try it. Oh, che bello, che bello. I can see why Alfredo served this to his sick wife. This really is a medicine because it's so good, delicious, with so many nutrients. You saw also how easy and quick he was. There's so many more Italian and Mediterranean recipes that I'm gonna show you on this channel, so here is your moment to subscribe. Ciao e grazie.